All right, we're ready to keep going. Level 3. Excellent. Okay, level 3, we made it. So it says, use clothes to make a sculpture that can stand up. Okay, most of us should know what a sculpture is by now. A sculpture is three-dimensional art, okay? But our trick here is going to be to get those clothes to stand up on their own to make that 3D structure. Let's give it a try. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, people, this was really tough, and the most challenging part was to get a structure that could stand up on its own. So I did decide to add some shoes and the clothes hangers. So be creative and use what you can find around your house to make your sculpture stand up on its own. All right, people, this level 3 laundry art is tough, this sculpture business. So I'll show you. For a rocket ship, and I think we've got more of a zombie vibe going on here. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna keep working at it. Maybe I'll finish it up soon. This is tough though. So here's the deal. If you can complete level 3 laundry art, that is a sculpture that stands up on its own, and you can send me a photo of your laundry art, level 3, that sculpture, send it to me on Class Dojo or email it to me. And if I see some fantastic laundry art sculptures there, maybe I can mail a special prize to your house. All right? There's some incentive for you. Let's get to work on that laundry art. If you reach level 3 and you think you've got a fantastic sculpture, send it to me on email or Class Dojo, and I can hook you up with an awesome prize maybe. All right? Bye-bye.